So this is my face. As you can see, just the dark spots and rashes, no pimples at all. Try it and thank me later. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you could remember, some days ago I started this pear therapy and I told you I was going to do it for 7 days. Yeah, I couldn't do it 7 days back to back because I realized the thing was making me fair. I don't know if it was bringing out my color or it was bleaching me, so I had to take a break in between. So yeah, I'm done with the whole 7 days now, and this is from day 1 to day 7. Well, if you ask me, I feel it worked because I no longer have pimples on my face apart from the rash and the dark spots that I now need to focus on. But the pimples, like, it's gone. Like, I can't believe it. Like, this is the first time I'm actually having a face without pimples in, like, should I say 5 years or 6 years? And I'm actually happy. The pear worked. So I feel it worked. Or what do you think? I'm not the type of person to just sleep and wake up and then pimples is gone. No. So yeah, I feel this is the work of the pear. So you can try it and then give us feedback if it works for you also or not. And then you can also tell us if you feel it worked or not. But now I just have rashes and what's it called, dark spot on my face. I'm going to focus on that one later, but for now the pear is a thumbs up. So thank you for staying with us on today's video. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and let's know if you feel the pear worked or not. Also, if you're going to try it or you've tried it, please come back and give us feedback so we would know if truly the pear is working or not, because I'm not using any other thing on my face apart from the pear, and my face is actually smooth. And my pimples, I don't have pimples anymore apart from the dark spots and then the rash there. So let us know in the comment section if you feel it worked or not. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.